Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your networking list with Microsoft Excel templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Create a new workbook by selecting blank workbook. In the first row, label your common labels might include name, email, phone number, and company. Input the information from your networking list into the corresponding. Make sure to double check for accuracy as you enter each contact's details. Once your data entry is complete, save your workbook to avoid losing any changes. To verify the email addresses on your list, navigate to the Data tab. Select the Data Validation option from the toolbar. In the Data Validation dialog box, choose Custom from the Allow drop-down menu. Enter a formula to ensure the email format is valid, such as equals and isNumber find at a2 isNumber find.a2. Click OK to apply the validation rule. You will now see an error message if any email addresses don't meet the specified criteria. Next, to verify phone numbers, also go to the Data tab. Select Data Validation again. Choose text length from the Allow drop-down menu. Set the minimum and maximum values according to the formats you expect, like 10 to 15 digits. Click OK to apply this rule as well. To easily spot any invalid entries, use conditional formatting. Highlight the columns you want to check, then go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting, and then select New Rule. Choose Format cells that contain, and set the criteria for invalid entries. Select a distinctive formatting style, like a red fill, to emphasize errors. Review your list for highlighted cells and make any necessary corrections. Finally, save your verified workbook again to keep the updated information. Congratulations! You now know how to verify your networking list using Microsoft Excel templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.